ahabero abina mukaga abeji abazire hamwe n'abebembezi ba Kyamate Secondary School bakija bagwerwa akagwe buwanyuma y'umuriro gucekereza uburaro bw'abojo aho mweje omwe yaferire abo inshonga age n'izindi ekitongore cya Red Cross cyargayo kwatiraho ishemereri aba babebembiremo John atugonze orukure by'ubwerezi omukitongore eki
basakwa bitakumara konka tuzaguma nitugezaho kureba ngo twaronda turabase cyabase katwongereho.
And we thank Red Cross headquarters for responding so quickly.
Ebintu babahereza harimo emfarasi branchiti obutimba bw'ensiri n'ebindi bingi. Emmanuel Aranitwe mukuru w'ishomereri abwa Kyamate Secondary School yonja kusema ekitongole cya Red Cross.
And 145 students lost all their property, and we lost one life, which was too sad.
Na nagambira na head teacher yansoborera kwakira kwetengwa obuyambi obundi hina baryoka babiye convinced nebatekateka ngo maybe ebiriyo byamazire konkate bikamazire bishemwe
numanyaki ngo muri ntungamo municipality tuinemu ishomero rimwe ya government ya secondary school.
Boaz Ruimbazi ori mbichi abo kibina cya Red Cross wayonja kujumera ekikorwa ekyakozerwe.
Please, we don't want chaos in school again. So mwizina ya Red Cross ntushasha na family yona ya Kyamate shasha nimwe
omushomererumwe ekibina ekirigita abeji omashomero gataragamo gamwe nabo barugayo okwatiraho ishomero lya Kyamate. Aba Uganda National Students Association obebembiremo president wabo barete bintu ebyabarwamo million ina.
If at all we traverse the counseling and guidance and mentorship in regards to tribalism, because these things, the more someone is bullied, you lose your self-esteem, you find the students performing poorly.
But we should create incidences such that students should run away from such acts. Why should somebody who has caused death to a fellow student be admitted in another school?
So we are in our preps, but to listen outside there were noise, most from the senior ones, and telling us that there was a fire outbreak.
Within the first day, we managed to get the actors, and even the last one who was hiding, we have got him. And in case they mention any other, we shall also get him. The truth is, we cannot allow any form of insecurity in the first district of NTUNGAMO.
Aba TV West, Disenyomo, Gideon, na Simon, Ayamba, Omuri, NTUNGAMO.